Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can transfer cryptocurrency from crypto.com to your Cash App account. I'm gonna be showing you step-by-step tutorial, so then make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, log in into your crypto.com. Once you're logged into your account, next tap on transfer in the top right. As soon as you tap on transfer, right at the bottom the drop down menu, so from there you'll have to tap on withdraw. After you select the cryptocurrency, now on the other interface, once again you'll have to select crypto. Now you'll have to tap on external wallet located right at the bottom. So after you tap on external wallet, on the other interface you must have all the wallet address that is on your crypto.com. Now what you need to do is, in case if you don't have the wallet address of your Cash App, then you'll have to tap on the plus icon in the top right. And right at the bottom, what you have to do is once again tap on wallet address. So you can see there are a list of options, so then select it accordingly. As we are going with the Bitcoin, so then tap on Bitcoin. Once you're in this page, you'll have to tap on the arrow icon located right in the corner. Now after that, once again there's a drop down menu, so then you'll have to tap on send Bitcoin. On the other interface, you'll have your wallet address, so then tap on the copy address located right at the bottom. Once again, you'll have to head back to your crypto.com, and right over here you'll have to paste the wallet address that you've copied recently. After you're done entering the wallet address, next tap on confirm withdrawal address, which is right at the bottom. Next interface, you'll have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and once you're done entering the amount, tap on withdraw. Now after that, on the second last interface, what you have to do is you'll have to review all of your information carefully, and once you're sure about it, tap on confirm, which is right at the bottom. And then on the last interface, you'll be notified that the cryptocurrency has been transferred to your Cash App account successfully. And that is how you can transfer cryptocurrency from your crypto.com to your Cash App account. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.